Sending money with Fin.do is easy, instant, and secure. Here's how to make your first transfer. First, add a card to Fin.do. You can add both MasterCard and Visa cards. You can send multiple currencies from any card. Your card will be immediately verified for sending money, receiving, or both. To make a transfer, go to Send Money and tap to select a recipient. You can move money between your own cards, select one of your contacts, or enter a 16-digit card number. Make sure to add your recipient's name and email address so they can be notified about your transfer. Next, select the currency you wish to send and indicate the amount. Note that you can send and receive US dollars and euros to any card. Check the final rates and fees and confirm your transfer. Funds will be delivered in seconds. Send money quickly and securely every time with Fin.do.